In a land where time flowed like a river, there stood a kingdom where every citizen had a clockwork heart. Each person's heart had a unique design, ticking in harmony with their passions and dreams. The heartsmiths, skilled artisans who crafted these intricate mechanisms, were highly revered. The kingdom's peace relied on the clock tower at its center, a colossal structure that synchronized the heartbeat of the entire realm. But one fateful day, the clock tower faltered, causing chaos as the citizens' clockwork hearts fell out of rhythm. Amidst the turmoil, a young inventor named Oliver discovered a forgotten prophecy that foretold of a clockwork guardian who would restore balance to the kingdom. With a determined spirit, he embarked on a quest to find the lost pieces of the broken clock tower. On his journey, Oliver encountered eccentric characters, a wise timekeeper owl, a mischievous gear sprite, and a compassionate steam-powered automaton. Each companion bestowed upon him a unique ability to navigate the challenges ahead. As Oliver ventured through mechanical landscapes and faced time-bending puzzles, he discovered the true meaning of time, not as a constraint, but as a precious gift. Along the way, he learned that the Clockwork Kingdom's heartbeat thrived on the diversity of dreams and passions within its citizens. In a climactic confrontation with a mysterious saboteur, Oliver realized that the key to restoring the clock tower was not just in repairing its gears, but in uniting the hearts of the kingdom. With the help of his newfound friends, he brought together citizens of all walks of life, mending the very fabric of their interconnected existence. As the clock tower chimed in harmony once more, the kingdom flourished with newfound understanding and unity. Oliver's tale became a legend, reminding generations that the true power of time lies in the shared moments and dreams that weave the tapestry of life in the Clockwork Kingdom.